Hey there guys, and welcome to our everyday lives. Today we're gonna show you exactly that. Look, I'm in a parking lot. How cool is that? We're gonna show you how you don't have to be special, or you don't have to be a celebrity, or you don't have to do anything interesting at all to film a vlog. You just can be like this usual person that we all are, doing our own things, to get vlogging about it and to get some B-roll in. I usually don't use the word B-roll because only Peter McKinnon can use the word B-roll because he's really cool and he knows how to do that. But even you can get a B-roll just from the usual things that you do every day, like, I don't know, filming how you're driving somewhere, filming a car, filming some cool things, filming your coffee. Anyhow, without further ado, we're gonna show you that, exactly that. First, getting some coffee. Coffee? Check. Now back to the road.
So one thing that you cannot avoid as a traveler is money exchanges. You have to change money a lot, and that's just what you have to do. I don't know. So this exchange right here is probably the best exchange here in Chiang Mai. It's called Super Rich Exchange. It's always busy and always people there, and the rates are really good.
They have more money than the bank, so every single time I walk in, I'm kind of a little bit cautious if someone's gonna try to rob the place, because you know, people come and change like 20,000 bucks or something.
But if you're in Chiang Mai, make sure that you check it out. What's next in the line?
It's Chinese medicine time, because I ran out of my 50-euro Chinese medicine yesterday, and we gotta get some refill of Chinese medicine.
Okay, so let's go.
So guys, I need my weekly fix, so we're going to visit my dealer. I'm gonna show you the special sweet place where you can get all the best stuff for the best prices in town. Guys, because we're low on stash, we're gonna go and see him. We're gonna show you. And apart from all the good stuff, you can also get some gold chains here, guys, so be sure to check this place out. Great gift for your girl. So guys, if you're in town, come visit my homie dealer. Hit me up if you need some recommendations for the best stuff, and if you come here, just refer my name and he's gonna fix you up with the best deals. Oh, I'm already using my stash. Oh, it's damn good, guys. So healthy. I already feel the vitamin C coming through. Anyhow, if you didn't see all this buzziness around, we're at the Chinese market. You can buy everything here, starting from raw sausages to worms. For a really cheap price, like $2.50 for like 200 grams of worms. Have you seen that? That's really cheap. That's way cheaper than in Bangkok. It's not like we buy worms that often, but I mean, it's a really, really good price.
Next stop is Opticianer. I know that's a pretty unusual place to go, but Optician. So Optician. Yeah, but 2 days ago we were in Grand Canyon. I don't know if you didn't see a video, I will link it below. It was a really awesome place, but I broke my glasses. I bent them a little bit, so you need to fix them.
Usual things in life, gotta fix the glasses. So we gave Chris glasses to the optician. and after 5 minutes of work, he said that it's gonna be easy. He closed the door. And now, he's behind the closed door, and I can hear the glasses screaming. I think they're dying. And I think we'll have to perform CPR to save them. Something like this. No, don't die on me.
My glasses survived. They're alive, finally. It cost us only €1 to fix them. It's really great, actually.
So guys, we've done all of today's chores. We drank our coffee, we got our medicine, and we fixed the glasses. I guess now is the time to get the work done.
So we are back in our apartment building, and Linda is trying to work out. So this was our attempt to make really simple daily tasks into a little bit more interesting kind of vlog-ish style. I don't know if we're gonna succeed because I haven't seen what we filmed. But yeah, we just filmed a lot of random things just to try it out, some new ways of transitioning between the two video clips.
I did 20 push-ups and 30 squats.
Done for a week.
I haven't worked out like that since what? Since I was 5th, and that was a long time ago.
Since you were 5th?
Yeah.
5?
No, since I was 5th.
Oh, okay.
No, that was a long time ago, guys. Whew.
Show some muscles.
Okay, I think I need to lay down.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that upload button. Resteam if you think that others might,
I'm a seal!
if you think that others might be interesting in our seal. Follow, subscribe if you haven't already. It would be really nice to see more people around our channel. And guys, me and our
T for the D-tube!
T for the D-tube. We'll see you in the next one, guys.